One of the common problem after the installation of Windows 11 on VirtualBox that the screen is not expanded inside the whole screen. So here we are seeing that effect. So this looks really odd and it's not convenient to start working on that machine. So how we can fix this thing? In this video we will see how we can fix this problem or issue very easily within few minutes. So let's get started. So once the installation is completed successfully, we need to load our VirtualBox and the Windows 11 operating system over there. Now if we check carefully on the top side of this VirtualBox, there are a couple of menus and one of the menu is device. Once it is clicked, then it will be expanded and there will be one menu, insert guest additional CD image. If we move our cursor over there, it will be highlighted and then we need to click it here. Once it is clicked, then basically what it is doing, it is inserting the VirtualBox some image on inside the CD-ROM. Now we can use that thing to start the installation and fix this issue. So now I need to go to the Windows Explorer. So I'm going to open Windows Explorer. Once the Windows Explorer window is open, then if we click on my computer, then we'll find two options are there. One is the whole hard disk and another is the VirtualBox image CD. So these two will be there. Our goal is to install some software, so I need to go this option. We just need to access the image CD by double clicking and then here you will find different types of options. So one of the option is VirtualBox Windows Editions. If you don't find it at the top, just scroll down and then you will find this option, VirtualBox Windows Edition. Just double click it and then it will give us this warning. We just need to press the yes button to escape it and then we have to click next, and then this is the location where it will be saved. Again next button and finally we have to click install. Once the install button is clicked successfully, then everything it will be installed on our local virtual operating system, which is the Windows 11 operating system. And with the VirtualBox, it will take some time, like 30 seconds to 1 minute. So don't close this thing until it finished. Once it is installed successfully, then you will find it is asking us to reboot the system. So we need to wait till that time. And once we found it's asking us to reboot, just click on the finish and the whole operating system basically it will be rebooted. I mean the Windows 11 will be rebooted on the VirtualBox. Once the reboot is successfully completed, then we will see the problem of the extension of this monitor has been fixed. Once the reboot is successful, then we need to log in our machine, I mean the Windows 11 machine which is installed on VirtualBox, and then once the logging is successful, then we'll see the screen it is adjusted automatically. And now let's try to maximize the whole screen and let's see whether it is working properly or not. So I'm going to maximize this whole screen by pressing top side that expanded window, and then it will be expanded, and here we are seeing there is no issue, no problem right now. And that's in this way basically we can fix all the graphics issue for a Windows 11 installation on VirtualBox. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any question or if you face any problem, please ping me on the comment section.